What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install GTA Vice City for free. Now open your web browser and type in your games box. Open the website. You need to find the game either by scrolling down or you can try using the search bar. Scroll down and find to download, click me button. You need to select the mega link provided in the website. Skip the ad in this case. There's no other way here. The game's about 1.2 GB. I already downloaded the game. Now you need to extract the content from the downloaded file. Right click, extract here. Now make sure you're entering the password correctly, otherwise it won't work. Now this might take a while depending on your PC. After extracting, open the folder and you need to double click on the ISO image. Now open the setup. Accept the license agreement, otherwise it won't go. Now type in any name as you want. This one also might take quite a while. In my case it may about like 2 minutes. Right now you still might not be able to play the game because you need to copy paste the crack, so you just do that by clicking on the extract file and choosing the crack from here. Copy paste this file into the game directory. Right click and paste, replace the file in this destination, and that's it guys. Right now the game's in windowed mode because I'm using screen recorder. If you're opening it, it will be in full screen mode. so don't worry about that. One more thing you might want to do is that after you open the ISO type of folder, it might remain in your computer, so you might want to just head there and right click and eject that folder. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts regarding game, just ask in the comments. Thank you.